So good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Ihancer to enhance your image, your design you design to someone. So follow me to the end of this video. Subscribe, turn on notification, like and share for others to learn. Thank you. So let's kick off to the lesson without wasting any time. We are to enhance our image. So what you are going to do now, we are going to use Ihancer. So click on it, then click on select a photo, then click on the photo. Say please wait, magic may take some time, so we are going to wait a little bit. We are going to wait a little bit, maybe network is a bit slow. So this is it. So this is the before and after. This is before and this is after. So this make your image more beautiful. If you enhance it, it will be more beautiful. So as you can see, it's more beautiful now. So this is how you can enhance your image. For you to save it, click on this share icon, then save to gallery, and it will be saved automatically to your file. So if you found this video helpful, share it for others to learn. Subscribe, turn on notification, like and comment. I am learning. We keep going. Thank you.